What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another midweek video. So I seem to like my midweek videos, and I thought, you know what, today I'll just make a video about 4 different stocks to watch now. Now, all of these are penny stocks. Some of them have taken off, some of them are still yet to take off, and I'm sure a couple of them you've already heard of. A couple of them are also sleepers, so we'll just dive straight into it. So I'm going to start off with GEVO, ticker symbol GEVO. So this actually sold off heavily today. It's around $6.47. So there's a couple of things I'm looking at with this one. I want to see how far it falls, because if it falls to below $6, then I'm probably just not going to look at it. But bear in mind, you can trade options on it, so you might want to look at the puts on it. But with this one, pretty much what I'm looking at is it to hold above around $6 and start uptrending again towards, I'd say, probably the 730 mark. A lot of you guys might just want to already get in now. It's actually trending up after hours. But yeah, I'm trying to see it pull back towards closer to around $6, hold above $6 here, and then start uptrending again. Now, there's a little bit of a resistance at the 200-day SMA, which is this orange line, which is just around $7.30 right now. So actually, to be honest, if you were to get in now, let's say you get in early and it does start trending, well, then you could just be looking at it to see how far it rises before it gets to that 200-day SMA before selling out. Otherwise, you could decide to sell before it. And if you're lucky and you hold, we don't rely on luck, but if you were lucky and it decided to break above the 200-day SMA, you could be looking at $8 real fast, maybe even above $8. But yeah, if it gets past 730, I expect it to run to 8. But my actual prediction, or what my real expectations are of this stock, is it gets to 730 and starts downtrending again. But like I mentioned, it's sold off almost 6% today. And this is a stock which is being squeezed. It's got a lot of weird movement. If you zoom out, you would have seen that, shot up to highs of, $15 earlier this year before selling off heavily since. So yeah, that's GEVO. That's the first one. The second one is FAMI, ticker symbol FAMI. This is one that I mentioned in the Discord when it was around 22 cents. Now after hours, it's doing just some crazy things. It's up 14.09% as I record this, and yeah, it sold off to around 22 cents today. Actually, again, I mentioned it in Discord about 3 weeks ago, and I mentioned it again today. But it sold off here, and it's not uptrending again. Now, after hours, we're seeing a lot of volume. The volume's over 600 or 700 million right now, and there's a lot of buying pressure, as you can see after hours as well. This fat green candle, long green candle. But what I'm looking for with this one is it to start running up to around 45 cents. I think 40 cents we're going to beat most likely tomorrow. 45 cents is next, and hopefully we could see it, push even higher than that. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see it get to around 40 cents and start selling off again. People selling just to take profits, and then we see some more buying pressure past 40 cents and up to the 45, 46 cents mark soon enough. But if you zoom out, in theory, this could get up to $1. It could get up to $1. I mean, I don't think it will happen very soon, but it definitely could. And the reason I say it definitely could is because there's another stock which you might say, you've heard of now, but when it was being announced or talked about a month ago or so, it was also 40 cent, and that is CEI, Camber Energy. This stock almost hit $5 today. Look at this crazy movement here. This is the highest point it reached today, almost $5 before selling off. This stock is nuts. Now after hours, it's around 360. It's after it hit highs of almost $5, it sold off back under the $3 mark, which is something I pointed out in the Discord. But my point here is, a month ago, this was around 30, 40 cents, just like FAMI is right now. This could be one to keep your eyes on, CEI, to go to $5 and maybe eventually $10, even though I don't think so. But what I want to point out one more time is FAMI could pretty much do the same thing as you've seen with CEI here. I don't know how long this can keep up, but with this buying pressure right now and the volume just increasing after hours, yeah, we could definitely see this hit. When I was banging on about CEI when it was around 90 cents, under $1, people thought they were too late. When it hit, I think 117 or so, people thought they were too late. On Monday pre-market, I dropped in my notes and I said this is around 206 right now. It's not too late. It's actually a good time to average up. I had mentioned it definitely was a good time to average up because since then it did more than a double up, so more than 115, 120% returns if you had bought it Monday till now. So CEI is definitely one to watch. Another very interesting penny stock. It's not one that I would buy and hold long term. If you look at it over the past 3 months, 6 months, it looks like it's done amazing. If you go back over the past 5 years, well, then you see, it just has some crazy movement. They had a reverse stock split, so it's not exactly, how do I say, just in this case, if you've seen the stock price. So, yeah, CEI is one to look out for. And then lastly, I'm going to go with ENG and Global. You may have heard of this one. If you check this one, how it's performed recently, it sold off heavily over the past year. Now it's just starting to uptrend again. It's around $3.10. It had a great day today. I was watching it, but I wasn't so sure of it, to be honest, so I've not actually touched it. If I can show you guys, I'll just show you guys now Robinhood, exactly how the stock trended today, up 13.55%. Had a really nice day. Over the past week, it's up 50%. It was around, what, $2 a week ago, but it's starting to make progress again. I think overall it has a long way to go still. You see, before it was around, what, $3.23. We're starting to move back there. If you look over the past year, so again, since February, it sold off. It was almost $10 back in February, but it's sold off heavily since then. But it's definitely one to keep your eyes out on. CEI is trying to get to that $5 mark. ENG might also get to the $5 mark soon enough. FAMI, let's see if it can get past 40 cents and then 45 cents. And GEVO, let's see if we can hit, $8 soon enough, but first $7.30 around that area. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, please make sure to check out all my other videos. Also give a like, subscribe, comment, and share with these videos with your friends. It could help other people elsewhere, whoever's involved in the stock market, looking to get involved in the stock market, could definitely help them out. All this stuff does take a lot of time, the editing, the creating the videos, planning the videos, all that stuff. It does take a lot of time. So please do feel free to subscribe to my channel because it does help in a great way. Now, let me know if you would like more videos like this in the future because I'll be happy to make them as long as I can help people profit off the market in some way and learn something new. But yes, I'm definitely interested to see what these 4 penny stocks do over the next couple of days. And lastly, check out the stock option starter pack. Check out all the different links in the description below. And you guys know the deal. Be back here next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.